And please, you don't have to be mean in the comment section. There's always that one person, every so often is like, you make me cringe by the way you talk. And I'm just like, would you say that to my face? Just out of curiosity. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unbagging my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag. Now don't worry, Haley and I will be coming back and going head to head, Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, with our paid for glam bags, just like we do every single month, which are pretty much some of my favorite videos to film over here for you guys. But anyways, today we are unbagging our $12 bag. And before we jump into the video, friends, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where if you sing it with me, thank you. Anyways, guys, before we jump into the video, if you guys are curious about my top, my cami, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It is from Torrid, not sponsored or affiliated. There's just a sale going on right now. Hopefully it's still going on by the time I get this video up for you guys. I say run. This is the best time to pick up these things because they have the Torrid cash going on. So anyhow, I digress. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so Ipsy is a monthly subscription. You have the option to sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and you do get to customize one of the items in this bag, which my app was working the day that choices came out, so I was super excited to be able to pick my item. If you guys have been with me for a while, when it comes to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is the other monthly subscription with Ipsy, that's $25 a month plus tax. I can't seem to get in there and make my choices, which makes me a little ticked off. But I digress. Then we have what's called the Ipsy X, which is quarterly. So it's like February, May, I don't know because I can't do math that fast. Fast math, not my thing, not my journey. Anywho, that's coming in May, and if I missed picking my choices, I'm going to cry. I think I have until the 2nd. I think it starts on the 2nd. I think it's the 2nd. I don't know. I don't know. Love when reality strikes right when I'm filming. Anyways, okay, so when it comes to the Ipsy $12 glam bag, we do get a little zipper pouch, and this one I think is really cute because it's like a hard type of canvasy material, and it does have a cute little surfboard little zipper. Now, this was the item that I did choose. This is the Tatcha water cream. This is bougie, this is expensive, so when I can, you know, pick this as a choice or an add-on or anything, you know your girl's gonna do that. I mean, that's how for the longest time, I was getting the little, I'm on a tangent. If you're not new here, please don't tell me about it in the comments. We already know. We already know. Be nice, okay? All right, so anywho, when you make your choice with Ipsy, it's very much now like, well, like with Boxy, they have add-ons, and I think they call it Ipsy add-ons, whatever, but you can typically pick up really cute things for a couple bucks. So I had gotten in one of my old Ipsy bags, like the pink, no, Sand and Sky, I think it's called Sand and Sky. It's a pink clay mask, and oh my gosh, like for $3, and I was getting that, and finally it went on sale at Ulta. I love that stuff, and you guys said that Ipsy got you onto the Sand and Sky pink clay mask as well. That thing is amazing, but I digress. We're talking about the Tatcha. So when I can get the Tatcha for add-ons or choice, I always do because she's expensive, but she's really good. The next item in here that everything from here on out, Ipsy did pick, and this is the Rin Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. You guys know how much I love skincare. So this is 0.5 fluid ounces, and it's by Rin. So I love seeing, again, this brand and Ipsy. That's one thing that I've noticed since Ipsy and Boxy kind of like came together. Even though they're still separate, I'm noticing some of the same brands, or like even more brands. Like Charlotte Tilbury is coming to Ipsy. Yeah, I said that. Ipsy X, Charlotte Tilbury. Super excited. There is a card in here, and see, this is where it talks about the Glam Bag X with Khloe. Khloe Kardashian is going to be kind of curating some of her favorite brands for the Ipsy X, which that box is like $55, and it is quarterly, and I am so excited. I'm so excited to see some of the pics in there. I'm geeking out. So anywho, it says your invitation to glam. Khloe curated assortment with top tier brands like Charlotte Tilbury. Olaplex is going to be in there. That's exciting. And Herbivore and more. That's awesome. It says February sold out fast, and a bag this good won't last for $55. Snag 8 full-size faves, 3 you choose, worth up to $529. Now, if you do sign up for the Ipsy X, again, I'm on a tangent. It is what it is. If you do sign up for the Ipsy X, the month that you get the Ipsy X, you do not get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So that to me is not a big deal. Ooh, okay. So I actually do have prices in here. So the full size of the Tatcha water is $68, and it does say oily skin needs hydration too. So the water cream is geared towards oily skin, but it's fine. I layer stuff anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. So it says oily skin needs hydration too. Without it, it becomes dull and can even end up producing more oil. That's where this luxurious lightweight cream comes in. Think of a tall glass of water. It's packed with nutrient-rich botanicals that specifically is designed to hydrate oily, congested, prone skin. And the reason I'm okay with that is because in my T-zone, I do have an issue with large pores clogging up. So I feel like this would be good in the center, and then my perimeter, which is typically drier, I will hydrate with other stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next item in here is by Pacifica, and this is the Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush full size. I do believe full size. Don't break a nail. Oh my goodness, almost broke a nail. We're not gonna do that. Not today, baby. No ma'am. Oh my gosh. Okay, I say oh my gosh because look, there's a mirror on the other side. Seems dangerous for people like me, but you know, that's cool. Ooh, this is pretty. I wanted it to smell like cherries. Even though I'm pretty sure Pacifica most of the time is fragrance free, it does say it's 100% vegan, cruelty free, cherry gold highlighter and blush shades rose gold and cherry spirits. This is actually really pretty. And do you know what my competitive brain is thinking? Thanks, Ipsy. I'm gonna win this month, baby. I don't know. Hailey always seems to pull through. But anyways, this does have a retail value of $17.99. It says our current makeup mantra, glow, glow, and more glow. It's the reason we can't get enough of this shimmery blush and highlighter duo. The silky powders are infused with mineral pigments, light reflecting mica, and moisturizing coconut oil to give your skin naturally luminous look. It is pretty. I don't feel like I could use this as a highlighter though. I feel like it's just going to be like a pretty like blush topper, you know? I don't know. We shall see. But I am pretty excited about that. The next item in here is by, oh, I don't know how to even say this, Lord. Girls on the struggle bus today. What is this? It is a Nude Shimmer and Contour palette. Wait, look how tiny it is on the back. I don't know if you guys can see how tiny that is. Oh! Nude and Shimmer and Contour eyeshadow. One thing you're gonna learn about me is I don't read, but it's pretty. I mean, it's a really pretty little quad by, is it Orya? Whatever. That's the brand. Please don't hate me. This does have a retail value of $20. It says this travel size palette has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made from rice-based ingredients as well as oils, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. I have to swatch. Hold on, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. Hopefully that didn't just like make things blurry. Ooh, that matte does feel creamy. Okay, ignore that. I was filming a different video. Okay, I get it, guys. I get that swatches don't tell the full story. But that's nice. That is very nice. Ooh, this is a pretty copper. I'm ready for the beach. And this is the pretty like rose gold. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Okay, so that is the shades. This is actually really cute. So this brand is new to me and I'm excited to try it out. I mean, especially when you get that like nice tan. I am ready for warm weather, sitting in the sun with my sunscreen. But ooh, that's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, and there's more, hold up. I love these. The last item in here is by First Aid Beauty. These are the facial radiant pads. They help to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. You do get 10 pads in here, and I actually already have like a little tub already open, so I'm just gonna open this up and put it right into the tub. I love these. They are so nice on the skin, especially if you have like sensitive skin. These are going to be great. They're not going to be too harsh for you whatsoever. And I feel like even if you have dry skin, this will work nice to help exfoliate your skin, to help with any dry patches. I definitely love these. And you guys know I've talked about them for a very long time. The full size has a retail value of $36. What are my thoughts on this $12 bag? I'm so excited. I feel like this is the best $12 bag that I've gotten in a very long time. I am super excited about it. What are you guys' thoughts down below? I already know I love Tatcha. I've tried the water cream in the past. I love it. I know I like Ren skincare. I know I've not tried this particular item, but I'm always happy to test out skincare. Love the First Aid Beauty pads. They're amazing. This little palette, this quad, seems very promising, and I think these colors will be really pretty. So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts. Did you get a bag similar to this? Did you get the exact bag? What were your choice items for your $12 bag as well? I love to know these things. Anyways, friends, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave me a big thumbs up. Stick around, subscribe. Why not? Turn on your notification bell. Don't forget, I have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Love to have you as part of our fam. Check me out over on Instagram. I love to pop up little quick skincare videos or makeup videos over there. Kind of instead of having to sit through like I don't know how long this video is going to be, but you know, a 20-minute video, you can just get a little snippet for like 3 minutes over on Instagram. So give me a follow. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.